Hello, my name is Alyssa Lambert, and we are presenting to you our screencast of the BSG strategy game. We are Team Get in Step, and throughout the presentation, you'll be hearing myself and my other two teammates, Keith and Ludmilla, and explaining the performance throughout the years for our company, as well as the strengths and the weaknesses that our company has possessed. Enjoy! Get in Step's mission is to be a trusted brand, high-end athletics footwear market, and to provide customers a trusted source of consistently high athletic footwear. We want to be the first choice provider of superior quality athletic shoes worldwide. Our strategic goals are to provide customers with quality and also to empower employees in quality control. And we also want to promote a respectful and diverse work environment where our employees bring their best in every shoe created. For corporate citizenship, we decided not to use green footwear materials because of how costly it was, but did decide to use recycled packaging. In addition, we tried to be energy efficient by investing 100 million pairs per distribution center of plant capacity. G Company also decided to do workforce diversity and ethics training to help the overall workforce. Overall, we sold 15,698 pairs of shoes at an annual operating cost of 41 cents per pair. In our performance throughout the years, our performance has been moderate. In year 15, we got much better than year 14, but we are still striving to improve return on equity and stock earnings per share. We have been set now in credit and image ratings, so we do not have to worry about that metric too much. The best year for company Get in Step was year 13. Other numbers for everything skyrocketed. Now we are at the point of improving return on equity and earnings per share as much as possible. Get in Step shareholders have an expectation from our firm to maintain a return on equity of 15%. Our goal is to meet the expectations as we drive up net income during the planned upgrade. We also want to provide consistency to let our shareholders believe that our firm is acting in the best interest of gaining market share of at least 10%. In year 14, we had a bit of a downfall in the return of equity and the earnings per share, but in year 15, we have gained at least 5% and we have been getting better over the years.
Get in Step's material costs are about $2 under the industry average. That, along with not having any plants in the Europe-Africa region, as well as the Latin America region, are what helps Get in Step stay above the other companies. The rejection rate for Get in Step is a full percentage point below the industry average. All of these factors help Get in Step to have the lowest total manufacturing costs of all the companies in the business strategy game. Hi, this is Keith Simpson, and I'm going to discuss Get in Step's wholesale and private labels. Get in Step's wholesale label price has gone up in price per unit from $48 in year 10 all the way up to $60 in year 15. The reason there is a spike in unit sales from year 11 to year 13 is due to the fact that Get in Step sold roughly 300 more pairs of shoes in those 3 years. The private label price has increased through the years along with their S&Q, style and quality rating. During the spike in unit sales, private label had 32 to 38% of market share, helping the spike in unit sales. One of Get in Step's biggest strengths is the internet retail price, which is $5 below the industry average, as well as their style and quality rating, which has 7 out of 10 stars. Get in Step invests heavily in advertising, spending nearly $3,000 over the industry average. But that is why it is such a strong aspect for Get in Step. The biggest weakness for Get in Step is that we do not offer free shipping in order to generate more revenue. Get in Step also has the fewest models available, coming in way under the industry average. Despite these weaknesses, Get in Step has maintained a strong spot in the standings of the business strategy game. Looking at our finances and our competitors, some opportunities are looking at our net profit compared to our competitors and ensure that it is higher than theirs. One way to increase net profit would be to reduce our administrative expense by increasing the cost to train employees. Some threads that could arise are that our competitors could invest more into CSR, and they should also increase the training of employees to reduce the administrative expense they incur. GetInStep's future plans include being the best cost provider in the industry for years to come, as well as having the highest style and quality rating. GetInStep wants to continuously improve return on equity as well as earnings per share, and to continue the overall success of the company. GetInStep has been one of the top 5 companies throughout the years of the business strategy game, and only being outside of the top 3 in year 14. We hope to keep our success going as we finish up the business strategy.